Hello children, welcome back to Hindi class. Today we are going to discuss our second chapter, that is Vibhu Kaka. First we will start with a mind map. So here is the mind map of the chapter Vibhu Kaka. In this we will learn Jeevan Mulya, values of life, मातृभूमि से प्यार, love for motherland, कर्तव्य पारायण, devotion towards duty, त्याग, सेवा भाव, sacrifice and helping nature, प्रकृति प्रेम, love for nature, स्वस्थ जीवन शैली, healthy lifestyle. So children, here we have word meanings of the chapter. शब्दार्थ, which means word meanings, उत्सुकता, अत्यधिक इच्छा means curiosity, हिदायत मतलब निर्देश instructions, नंदनवन इसका मतलब बगीचा that means garden, जुटे थे लगे हुए थे were engaged, भूखमारी भूख से हुई मृत्यु hungry diseases, प्रलोभन मतलब लालच temptation, जिज्ञासा जानने की इच्छा क्यूरियासिटी, प्रामाणिक मानने का योग्य ऑथेंटिक, काया पलट इसका मतलब परिवर्तन विच मीन्स चेंज, आदर्श आदर्श का मतलब प्रेरणा देने वाला इंस्पिरेशनल. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ वी विल लर्न समथिंग अबाउट राइटर. विभू काका चैप्टर इज रिटन बाय हिमांशु जोशी. हिमांशु जोशी का जन्म 1935 में उत्तराखंड में हुआ था. ही वॉज बॉर्न ऑन 1935 इन उत्तराखंड. पत्रकार तथा चित्रकार के रूप में इन्होंने बहुत प्रसिद्ध पाई. ही वॉज फेमस एज जर्नलिस्ट एंड स्टोरी टेलर. स्वभाव से यात्रा प्रेमी जोशी जी ने अनेक यात्रा वर्णन लिखे. एज अ ट्रैवल लवर ही हैज़ रिटन मेनी ट्रैवल डिस्क्रिप्शंस. सरल भाषा, छोटे छोटे वाक्य इनकी शैली की विशेषताएं हैं. सिंपल लैंग्वेज, स्मॉल सेंटेंस और स्पेशलिटी इन हिज राइटिंग्स. इनको अनेक सम्मान और पुरस्कार प्राप्त हुए हैं. ही वॉज अवॉर्डेड विथ सो मेनी ऑनर्स. कुछ कृतियाँ, सम ऑफ हिज इम्पोर्टेंट वर्क्स, सूरज चमके आधी रात, कागर की आग, अरण्य आदि. So children, have you ever seen a village? What is the difference between villages and cities? In this chapter, Vibhu Kaka completed his education in abroad. With that knowledge, he tries to improve the condition in our country and he wants to make it happy. Vibhu Kaka was staying in the cities earlier. Once he saw the condition of villages, he changed his heart and mind. He thought of developing the villages. Earlier, the people who lives in villages were attracted towards the city and left their villages. But now the situation is changing. Even the younger ones are taking interest towards village life and agricultural field. In this chapter, we will learn about our love for motherland and for our villages. So, the summary of the chapter goes like this. After completing his agricultural studies in America, Vibhu Kaka returned back to India. His fashion sense completely changed from America to India. Years later, seeing in this attire, Vijay could not recognize him. With the knowledge, Vibhu Kaka had completely changed the condition of the villages around him. And he also explained Vijay what is the importance of vegetables and fruits available in the villages. What steps should we take to develop the villages? The villagers were very happy with Vibhu Kaka and consider him as God. So children, I hope you understood this chapter. We will meet in the next session. Till that, take care.